Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Forms in WordPress website. So let's begin. First of all, you have to make sure that you are in the dashboard of your WordPress website. After that, you have to decide where do you want your form to be. You can either place your form in an existing post or an existing page. Or you can also create a new page for your form, or you can create a new post for your form. So I'm going to create a new post for the Google form. I'm going to add a title to this form, then I will add my Google form here. So let's go to my form and copy the form. So I have the form open here. After you have prepared your Google form, you're going to have to click on send here. So after this, go to the embedded tab on this side, and after going to the embedded tab, click on copy. Now let's go back to WordPress website. Now here, since I want to add this form in this block, I will click on the blue plus here. After that, I'm going to search for HTML. So we have custom HTML here. Let's insert the custom HTML. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste down the code I had copied, and I'm going to click preview to see if it's working. So as you can see, the form is working. I'm able to see it by preview mode. So I'm going to now publish this post. So the post is published, and we can click view post and directly jump to the post in view mode. So let's go view the post. And as you can see, here is my post, and here is the form which has been embedded successfully. Now let's see if the form is working. So I have submitted a response in the form. Now let's go to Google Forms. And let's close this window and go to responses section. Alright, so as you can see, here it has gathered one response because I responded from my post. So if someone responds from the post, then you will be able to gather their responses in Google Forms. So guys, that's how you can embed a Google form in your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.